The NEBULA X1 projector with wireless satellite speaker is redefining home entertainment. This isn't just a projector, it's a complete cinema system designed for anyone who wants high-quality visuals and immersive sound without the clutter of a full theater setup. Sleek, compact, and modern, it blends effortlessly into any living room or office space, offering a premium experience that's both portable and powerful. Right from the unboxing, the NEBULA X1 feels premium. The build is smooth, matte-finished, and minimalistic, giving it a modern edge that doesn't scream tech gadget. Setting it up is simple and fast. Plug in, connect your devices, and it's ready to stream, mirror, or display presentations. The intuitive interface ensures you spend more time enjoying content than troubleshooting settings. The visual quality of the NEBULA X1 is remarkable. With true 4K resolution, colors are vibrant, contrast is deep, and details pop on the screen. It performs well in dimly lit rooms, and while it handles moderate ambient light efficiently, darker environments truly let the picture shine. Movies, sports, gaming, or streaming videos all come to life with smooth clarity and sharpness that feels cinematic. Audio is another area where the NEBULA X1 excels. Most projectors rely on internal speakers that feel tinny and weak, but the included wireless satellite speaker changes the game. It delivers rich, immersive sound with well-defined mids and lows that give a theater-like experience. Dialogue stays crisp, sound effects hit hard, and the wireless connection ensures zero lag between picture and audio. Beyond picture and sound, the NEBULA X1 is packed with smart functionality. Running on an Android-based system, it lets users access streaming apps like Netflix, Disney+, Prime Video, and YouTube without needing extra devices. Screen mirroring works seamlessly via AirPlay, Chromecast, or Miracast, and it also supports HDMI, USB, and Bluetooth connectivity for consoles, laptops, or external storage. One of the standout features is automatic keystone correction and autofocus. This means a perfectly aligned, sharp image every time without fiddling with manual adjustments. The cooling system is quiet, so long sessions don't come with distracting fan noise. Battery life is reliable and the projector is energy efficient, making it ideal for extended viewing or gaming sessions. Portability is a key advantage. The NEBULA X1 can be moved from room to room, taken outdoors for backyard movie nights, or used in a professional setting for presentations. The wireless speaker keeps everything neat, eliminating messy cable setups while delivering full, immersive audio. This projector is more than just a device, it's a home entertainment hub. It transforms any wall into a theater screen, offering bright visuals, rich sound, and smart features that adapt to your lifestyle. For those seeking a cinema-quality experience without investing in large TVs or complicated setups, the NEBULA X1 offers the perfect balance of design, functionality, and performance. If you want to buy the NEBULA X1 projector with wireless satellite speaker, check the link in the description below.